My name is Nikita Orndorff, and I was an environmental health intern at the Eau Claire City County Health Department. My tasks as an environmental health intern included tick drags, mosquito surveillance, West Nile virus research, and beach sanitation surveys that accompanied water quality testing. The first task I learned how to conduct was tick drags. This is done in heavily wooded area with a large cotton sheet. The ticks are then stored in vials containing alcohol, after which they're taken to the lab to be tested for diseases like Ehrlichia, using a method called polymerase chain reaction to amplify DNA sequences. A second big part of my job included traveling to 6 public beaches each week to collect specimens to be tested for bacteria levels, specifically E. coli and cyanobacteria, which are hazardous to human health, at or above pre-established threshold levels. My last environmental task involved mosquito surveillance. I went out a few times a week to set mosquito traps, collect, enumerate, and separate by species. The mosquito of concern is Aedes albopictus, which is a known carrier of West Nile virus, among other arthropod-borne diseases that are common to Wisconsin. In addition to job-specific tasks, I was able to shadow employees on garbage compliance checks, restaurant swab sampling, septic inspections, and rental housing inspections. The most valuable aspect of this internship for me was being able to ask employees what their favorite and least favorite part of working in the public sector was and how they ended up there. I learned that if I stayed in the public sector after graduation, I would be sacrificing income in return for great benefits, ample vacation time, plus flexibility. I learned how a health department was structured, and my eyes were opened to the many facets of a health department in a city like Eau Claire. I was surprised to see how many different departments are housed in the health department and how much they're able to affect change on our local community. My favorite department that I toured was the WIC area. I feel they provide excellent resources to a demographic of Eau Claire that needs it the most. I feel I've gained a holistic view of what it means to work in environmental health, and because of the diversity of the jobs performed at my host department, I feel that some employment paths have been illuminated. I think the most valuable lesson for me was seeing knowledge from environmental health courses put into action, helping me to increase my understanding of environmental health as it applies to the world around me.